Hello everyone. In class 8 science, we are going to discuss a new topic, crop production and management.
Where do we get the food? We get the food from plants and animals. What do we eat every day? We eat different items of food every day, isn't it? We eat rice, bread, milk, vegetables, potatoes, fruits, nuts, and so many fruits and vegetables we eat. We have to eat because it has more vitamins and minerals. So now look at your book and match the food item with the plant. So the option A is given that. Okay, now mark the answer. Bread is prepared from wheat. Option B, rice is prepared from paddy. And the option C, popcorn is prepared from maize. Food plants such as paddy, wheat, and maize, they need different conditions for cultivation. Now, if we consider paddy plant, it need more water, while wheat plant they do not require as much water like paddy. In this chapter, we will study about the different aspects of crop production and their management. Next, we learn what is agriculture. The practice of growing crops is called agriculture. The word agri means field, which is derived from Latin word, while culture means cultivation. Now we see how to define the term agriculture. See the second line. The systematic cultivation of useful plants and rearing of animals for human needs such as food, fiber, and other useful products is called agriculture. Now see this word systematic cultivation, which refers that any type of agriculture that is done purposefully and orderly using plants and animals for human needs such as fiber and other useful products. There are so many variety of crops are there which are grown in different parts of the country in different seasons depending on local climatic conditions such as temperature, humidity and rainfall. Crop means that is plants can grown on a large scale are called crops. Plants grown for production of food are called food crops. Example for food crops are cereals, pulses, oil seeds and sugar crops. Plants grown for commercial purposes, for example jute, cotton and rubber, they are called cash crops. Cash crops like rubber, coffee and spices are grown on plantations. So they are often called plantation crops. Crops need sufficient air, water, sunlight, and nutrients to grow well. They also need to be protected from diseases. In India, there are two seasons for crop productions. Are there? They are Rabi crops and Kharif crops. First, we learn what is Kharif crops. Crops which are sown in the rainy season in the month of June to September, which is called Kharif crops. Examples of Kharif crops are paddy, maize and groundnut are some of the examples for Kharif crops. Next, we see the another crop cultivation. Crops that are grown in winter season from October to March. Examples for Rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard, linseed, or some examples for Rabi crops. Next, we see the basic practices of crop production. That is, first we see what is agricultural practices. That is the sequence of processes and activities undertaken by farmers in order to cultivate crops for human consumption are called agriculture practices. The different tools that are used for agriculture practices are called agriculture implements. Sequence means the order to do the processes. Activity means what are the steps to be taken to cultivate the crops. Agriculture practices means the farmers need different tools to implement the processes. There are 6 main agriculture practices are there. The first step in the cultivation of crop is the preparation of the soil. The next step after preparing the soil is sowing seeds. Only clean, healthy and disease-free seeds are selected. The next practices is irrigation. The process of providing water to crops is known as irrigation. The next practices is crop protection. Just providing water and nutrients does not require a good harvest. Crops have to be protected against diseases, pests and weeds. The next practices is harvesting. The process of cutting and gathering a crop is called harvesting. The last step is preservation and storage of harvest. It is not possible to sell the entire harvested produce at one time. The produce has to be stored in a clean place under proper conditions.